Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And are you ready to elevate your wardrobe with a stunning piece of traditional elegance? Let me introduce to this execute pure Georgette Jaipuri Saree adorned with intricate zari work. This saree is not just a piece of clothing, it's a statement of style and sophistications. The flowing fabric draped beautifully and giving you that gracefully silhouette we all love, and the zari work absolutely breathtaking. It's add a touch of luxury and shine with every moment, making it perfect for any festive occasion or a special gathering. Now let's talk about value. Price at just 2400. This saree combines quality and affordability, making it a must-have addition to your collections. Pure Georgette is known for its lightweight and breathable natural, ensuring you stay comfortable while looking fabulous. Whether you are attending a wedding or family or function, simply want to stand out at a casual outing, this saree will definitely turn head. Pair it with your favorite jewelry and heels for that complete the look. And so why wait? Treat yourself to this beautiful pure Georgette Jaipuri saree with zari work. Today it's time to embrace elegance and showcase your unique style. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box, you can check it out. So I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. And I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you. It incredible to see you community growing and motivate me keep creating content and inspire, entertain and inform. Whether you have been here from the start and just join us recently, for your engagement, like, comment and share make a huge difference. It helped me understand what resonate with you and how can improve. I strive to bring value is every video, and your feedback is essential is in guiding that journey. So please keep those comments coming, and loving hear your thoughts, suggestions and even your story. They fuel my patience for creating. Remember, this space is all about connection. I want to build community where we can learn from each other and grow together. Till then, bye. Take care, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.